So just go through this small conceptual question. Okay. Calculate the payback period, the traditional method. Okay. Yeah. One is ARR, which we did in the morning. Now today we are doing evening mein is payback. Calculate the payback period for a project which requires a cash outlay of 2 lakhs and generates a cash inflow of rupees 80,000, 40,000, 70,000, 30,000 and 10,000. How? In the first, second, third, fourth and fifth years. So there are 5 years. Okay. Yeah. So you just have to calculate the payback. Okay. Now, if you remember, while doing the theory, I had said payback may there are two things which you have to remember. One is even flow and one is uneven flow. Which are there? Acknowledged in the chat box. In the payback, I had said there are two types in payback. One is the even flow, one is uneven. Okay, so this sum, see this, your cash inflow is 80, 40, 70, 30 and 10. This is uneven. Okay, this is uneven वाला. Even में क्या होगा? सब same होगा. 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. Full 5 years का 80 होगा. But uneven में कैसे होगा? All the years it will be different. The cash inflow will be different. Am I clear? So this is payback period which has a uneven flow. Is it clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. So this is payback with a uneven flow. Okay. So this is uneven cash inflow. Okay. So what to do when it is uneven cash inflow? You have to calculate cumulative cash inflow. I repeat, when there is uneven cash inflow, you have to calculate cumulative cash inflow. I have done this when I was doing the theory part of traditional method, ARR and payback period. Okay, yeah. So look at this. So what are we going to calculate? We are going to calculate cumulative cash inflow. Okay, so in that you have to take the year. Year is how many years are given to you? First year, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year. Then what you will calculate, then what is given to you? Cash inflow is given to you. So right here, this is given. Okay, how much is given? 80, 40, 70, 30 and 10. Okay, then what will you calculate? You will calculate the cumulative cash inflow. Okay, how is it calculated? Now look here. Pay attention. 80. I'll come to this. Look. How do you calculate this? Yeah. 80. Then 80 plus 40 is how much? 1,20,000. Next, 1,20,000 plus 70 is how much? 1,90,000. Okay, then 1,90,000 plus 30. 2,20,000. Okay. Next, last 2,20,000 plus 10 is how much? 2,30,000. Okay. Got this clear? Cumulative cash inflow. Acknowledge it in the chat box. How will we get the cumulative cash inflow column? So how much is your cash outflow? Cash outlay कितना है? 2 lakhs. ठीक है, अभी check करते हैं. Check in the cumulative column. Check in this column. 2 lakhs किधर आ रहा है? इधर आ रहा है. ओके, इधर मेरा 4th ईयर में ये फुल हो जाएगा. My answer will come in the 4th year, but I want only 2 lakhs, but this is 2 lakh 20. Okay, fine. So 1 lakh 90, say 2 lakh 20. Okay, so this is excess what I'm going to recover. Yeah, so you can see it here. Just a minute here. My 2 lakhs will be somewhere here, it will be completed, right? Yeah, so check, this is the 3rd year. Okay, my cumulative CI is how much? 1 lakh 90. ओके, इसको 2 लाख पूरा करने के लिए कितना और चाहिए? 10,000 और चाहिए, बराबर ना? मुझे 2 लाख का कैश आउटले चाहिए ना, और 3rd ईयर में माय क्यूमुलेटिव कैश इनफ्लो इज हाउ मच? 1 लाख 90. तो 10,000 का ही सिर्फ गैप है, which I will complete it in the 4th year. Okay, in the 4th year I'll complete the gap of this 10,000. Okay, so one thing is sure, yeah, my answer is here, 3 years. This is my answer, but some few more months I will take to cover that 10,000 rupees. Okay, so how am I going to do that? Yeah, just pay attention. I'll solve it here. See, working it. Right? So, 2 lakh 20 minus 1 lakh 90. The gap is of 30. Okay? So, my cash inflow and months. So, this 30,000 is for 12 months. मुझे और कितना चाहिए? 10,000 और चाहिए, right, to complete 2 lakhs. So cross multiply, I will get the answer. 30,000 should be 10,000 into 12 divided by 30. So 4 months is my answer. Okay, so my final answer will be what? 3 years, 4 months. My payback will be 3 years and 4 months. See. Understood? Is it clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. You have to check the nearest answer. So 1 lakh 90, you're getting it in the 3rd year. तो आपको सिर्फ 10,000 और चाहिए to match with your cash outflow. बराबर? करेक्ट ना? तुमने कैश आउटफ्लो कितना है तुम्हारा? 2 लाख रुपया बिजनेस में गया, तो जब इनफ्लो होगा तो इनफ्लो भी तो 2 लाख मिनिमम तो होना ही चाहिए, या इससे ऊपर जाएगा, बराबर? हाँ, तो लाइक दैट यू हैव टू मैच. तो आपका 2 लाख रुपीस कहाँ पूरा होगा? 3rd year में you will be able to earn 1 lakh 90. So 2 lakh you will be able to recover after 3 years. मतलब in the 4th year, but पूरा 4 years नहीं लगेगा, थोड़ा कम लगेगा 4 years में. Okay, few months you need. After 3 years you need few months to recover more 10,000 rupees. ठीक है? Yeah. So what is the difference? 2 lakh 20 and 1 lakh 90 के बीच में 30,000 का difference. So 30,000 is for, see here now you can see the difference. See, 30,000. So 30,000 is for 12 months, but I don't need 30,000. Now I want to recover 10,000. Okay. So the payback period is, so cross multiply, you will get the payback period. So 4 months. So my answer will be pay for the payback 3 years and 4 months. So these type of small conceptual questions will be asked in exam. Okay. Okay. Is it clear this one? These are all concept based questions. Huh? Yeah. Next. Next, this one. Even this is a concept-based question. Look at this. A project costs rupees 20 lakhs. Okay, 20 lakhs and yields annually a profit of 3 lakhs. ठीक है, ये आपका annual profit है. ठीक है, after depreciation, a profit of 3 lakhs after depreciation. ठीक है, fine. At the rate 10% per annum. Okay, but before tax, the profit which is given to you is EBT, earnings before tax. Calculate the payback period. Now they want you to calculate the payback period based on this. So in this case, what is your payback? Yeah, your payback in this case, it is even. ये वाला कौन सा था? ये uneven वाला sum था. This was uneven cash inflow, and this sum is of even cash inflow. How do you come to know this is even cash inflow? Because of this word. It yields annually a profit of 3 lakhs. So there's no 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs like this. Okay. Yeah. So when it is an uneven cash inflow, the payback period is calculated in this manner. You have to calculate the cumulative cash inflow. And when there is an even cash inflow, then payback period ka, this is the formula. Initial investment upon annual cash inflow. Okay, so this is the formula of payback period when it is even cash flow. Okay, okay, yeah. Write down. This is your EBT. This one. Annual. This is earnings before tax. After depreciation and before tax. Okay. So earnings after depreciation but before tax. 3 lakhs. Subtract taxes from it. 50% tax. The 3 lakhs for 50% is how much? 1,50,000. So this will be what? Earnings after tax but before depreciation. You can write like this. Earnings before depreciation and after tax. Then add back depreciation. Okay, so project cost is how much? 20 lakhs. That is your long-term asset. उस पे depreciation लगेगा 20 lakhs पे. So 20 lakhs का 10%. 2 lakhs. Okay. Yeah. Project cost. So your annual cash inflow is 3,50,000. I'll take you back to the theory part. Wait. See, look at this theory part which we had done. ये देखो. Payback का. Uniform cash inflow and not uniform मतलब uneven. ठीक है? जब not uniform होता है तो we take cumulative cash inflow जैसे अभी किया in this sum. And now it is uniform. Uniform cash inflow में what do you take? We calculate it like this. See, sales less expenses. This we had done that day. See, sales less expenses. Okay, depreciation subtract, then PBT less taxes, then we add back depreciation and we get the cash flow, cash inflow. Yaad aaya? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, so did you all recollect this, right? So this is what we are doing here. Okay, understood? I'm adding back depreciation. I had explained that concept earlier. यहाँ पे 3 lakhs में ऑलरेडी डेप्रिसिएशन पहले या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया हुआ है, सो इसलिए हम लोग सिर्फ ऐड बैक कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है? 20 lakhs. इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट मीन्स इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट इज नोन एज इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट. Okay, initial investment means investment in long term asset. What is the investment in long term asset? मतलब the purchase price, the cost price of the asset. What is the cost price? Project cost मतलब जिसमें आपने अपना पैसा लगाया है, that is the long term investment in assets. Okay, तो 20 लाख रुपए. ठीक है, and annual cash inflow मिला 3,50,000. ठीक है, so 20 lakhs divided by 3,50,000. Okay, so 5 years around 7 months, 5.7 round off मत करना, because यहाँ पे payback में they want the answer in months also. Okay, yeah. minimum years जिसमें आपको पैसा मिल जाएगा, इतने साल के अंदर मिल जाएगा. Okay? 5 years and 7 months. Okay, is it clear? समझ में आया? Okay, so such conceptual sums will come in exam. Yeah, uneven and even both are very important. Okay, okay, so don't mug it up, remember it conceptually. Yeah, so if you remember जब हमने theory किया था, I was again and again repeating the same point. I said you will understand the theory application better when we do conceptual sums. So we have already done the theory part, but now I'm showing you the application of the same. ठीक है? So saw the difference in both the methods? Yeah, I mean not methods in fact the method is same, it is payback only. The only difference when there is cumulative and when there is not cumulative, that is the even cash inflow and the uneven cash inflow. Okay, yeah. So ये थे दो traditional methods, one was ARR and then this payback. Okay, obviously we'll be doing few more sums on ARR and payback. Okay, now just look into this question. Yeah, Manik Shaw Company Limited is considering 2 projects. Okay, 2 projects. So कौन से projects हैं उनके पास? Project X and Project Y. Each requires an investment of 1 lakh. तो दोनों में investment same है, तभी तो consider हो रहा है ना, options देख रहे हैं which is the better option. Obviously, whenever you are comparing, the investment in project has to be equal. Obviously, अगर एक में 20 लाख का investment होगा, एक में 30 लाख का होगा, तो देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन ओनली, राइट? या एक ज़्यादा है एक कम है, तो अगर आपको कंपैरिजन करना है दो प्रोजेक्ट्स का, तो दोनों का वैल्यू, आई मीन इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू सेम होना चाहिए. द नेट कैश इनफ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इज गिवन टू यू. ओके, थर्ड ईयर फॉर, ये देखो अनइवन है. ओके, इधर भी अनइवन है, बराबर. या uneven, don't think कि 20 35 35 is same. No, it should be same than all the years. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you're required to rank these projects according to the payback method. Okay, so first we will solve for x. Okay, project x 20 35 35 20 25. Okay, तो हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? Yeah. फर्स्ट ईयर 20,000, देन इसका टोटल ऐड कर दो. या 20,000 प्लस 35 is how much? 20 plus 35 is how much? 55. Okay, add it. 55 plus 35 करो. 55 plus 35 is how much? 90,000. Okay, 90,000 plus 20,000 is 1,10,000. Okay, 1,10,000 plus 25 is how much? 1,35,000. ठीक है. और मुझे रिकवर कितना करना है? 1,00,000 रुपीज रिकवर करना है. तो वेयर आई विल बी एबल टू रिकवर माई 1,00,000 रुपीज? योर 90,000. करेक्ट. सो या थर्ड ईयर में और कितना चाहिए मुझे? 10,000 और चाहिए. ठीक है ना? करेक्ट. या आई नीड 10,000 मोर. सो द डिफरेंस इज ऑफ 90 minus 1,10,000 is 20,000. So 20,000 is for 12 months. So my difference is only 10. So for 10,000, how much? Cross multiply. So 20, sorry, 10,000 into 12 divided by 20. So 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Okay, so my payback answer is okay. So my payback answer is 3 years and 6 months. Okay. So 3 years and 6 months is how much? 3.5 years, ना? वही लिखा है वो लोग ने. You can even write like this: 3 years 6 months. You can write like this. Both are correct. 3.5 years लिखो या 3 years 6 months लिखो, एक ही बात है. Is this clear? Okay. Now do it for the second project. ठीक है? Second project. फर्स्ट ईयर 20. ठीक है, अभी सीधा ऐड करते जाओ. 20 प्लस 22 42. 42 प्लस 22 42 प्लस 22 64. 64 प्लस 18 82. 82 प्लस 18 82 plus 18 1 lakh. Okay. Okay, so in this, so you directly got the answer. I will recover my 1 lakh rupees here in the 5th year. इसमें तो सामने सामने आंसर है. So the payback period for Y is 5 years. Okay, payback period for Y is 5 years. ठीक है, this is my answer. So कौन सा project better है? Anyone? Which project is better, X or Y? Which project is better, X or Y? द कंपनी शुड गो फॉर विच प्रोजेक्ट, किसमें पैसा लगाना चाहिए, एक्स में कि वाई में? स्तुति एक्स में, उमेश एक्स में, ऑब्वियसली यस। वाई, क्या रीजन है? वाई एक्स, रीजन बोलो, टेल मी द रीजन वाई आर यू सपोज टू इन्वेस्ट इन एक्स प्रोजेक्ट? Yeah, Stuti, yeah, Umesh. What is the reason? Why are you supposed to invest in Project X? Yeah, Stuti is saying it is less than 5 years, obviously, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट वाई में पैसा डाला तो 5 साल में पैसा रिटर्न मिलेगा। 1 लाख रुपया वाई में डाल रहे हो तो 5 साल में वापस मिलेगा, और एक्स में सेम पैसा डालना है 1 लाख रुपए, वो आपको 3.5 साल में वापस मिलेगा। बेटर है ना, 3.5 साल में वापस मिलेगा तो। ओके, या फाइन, वेरी गुड स्तुति, वेरी गुड। ठीक है, तो लास्ट में आपको सिर्फ एक कॉमेंट लिखना है, प्रोजेक्ट एक्स इज बेटर देन प्रोजेक्ट, yeah, is preferable, or you can write is better than project Y because it has a shorter payback, or you can say investment will be recovered quickly in project X. You can write like this also. Okay, fine. So such small conceptual sums will be asked. Okay, so इसलिए I told you I'm going to do very small conceptual sums with you. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear? All the 3 illustrations which I have taken, concept clarity मिल गया? Okay, earlier lecture I took ARR, so I guess ARR का concept clarity is also done, and even this payback का भी concept clarity is done ना, even and uneven वाला. Okay, fine. And how comparisons are done in payback period and in ARR period. Right? Okay, so I'm ending with the meeting. Okay, tomorrow with some new concepts.